Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about how Verizon is now launching a new affordable $30 a month plan. Of course, there's going to be some hidden stuff into it, so let's break this down thanks to 9 to 5 Mac, and we can actually check this on Verizon's website. So let's go ahead and check it out, guys. It says our best unlimited price ever, introducing Welcome Unlimited. So this new plan, of course, is called a Welcome Unlimited, guys. So like I said, we'll go over it thanks to 9 to 5 Mac, and like I said, the links that they have to the Verizon actual website. So it says after upgrading its $35 5G plan last month with a 5 GB hotspot, Verizon is back today with all new plan that offers its most affordable price to get unlimited data, including 5G coverage. So yeah, some carriers are actually starting to charge for 5G coverage, but now with everybody almost offering it free, a lot of big carriers like Verizon are starting to offer it now. So it says Verizon Welcome Unlimited is the new entry-level plan priced at as low as $30 per line per month with 4 phones. So to get that price, guys, you need 4 phones, and you gotta watch out with marketing because a lot of carriers are saying, you know, unlimited data for $30 a month. You know, and then they'll say restrictions apply, go see a store. This is the restrictions that apply that they're talking about. You need 4 lines. So it's funny when people come into the store and be like, hey, I want that commercial that you guys are running. I want that $30 a month unlimited plan for a single line. I was like, no, it never says a single line. You gotta, you know, that's why it tells you to come into this store. You need 4 lines, I believe. If not, it's like 65 or 70 for one line. But nevertheless, like I said, it's called Welcome Unlimited. So it says Verizon announced a new Welcome Unlimited offering in a press release today. It says, and I quote, this is by the CEO, I guess. It says, Welcome Unlimited opens the doors for more people to switch to the network more Americans rely on. And it's true. Verizon is the biggest network here in the United States, guys. It's very big. It's the best coverage you'll get. Times of congestion, it could get really congested. So your data speeds may vary. It says, CEO of Verizon Consumer Group, today we are making it easy for customers to leave their wireless provider and join Verizon at an entry-level price point when they bring their own device. Ooh, so it's saying when you bring your own device. So they're basically telling you, hey, if you have, I don't know, T-Mobile, switch over, bring your iPhone, and we'll give you this entry price. So here are the details. It says Welcome Unlimited includes unlimited talk, text, and data on Verizon's 5G nationwide network, which here in my area, of course, Verizon does not have the biggest 5G network. That is still with T-Mobile, but I believe Verizon's 5G is catching up really, really fast. This is a nationwide network, not the gigabit ultra wideband, but the nationwide network. It says includes unlimited access to Verizon's 5G coverage, but throttles. Here's the big but throttling may occur in congested areas and hotspot is not included. Ooh. So if you want hotspot, you're not going to get it with this entry. I mean, they do call it the entry level or the welcome, I guess. The welcome. I call it entry, but it's called a welcome. Welcome Unlimited. So times of congestion, and this is what I was talking about, because a lot of people aren't on Verizon's network, depends where you're at. Speeds slow down quite a bit, guys. So it's almost like hitting the brakes quite a bit. Now, of course, when it's not that congested, speeds will go back to full speed. But if you ever want to use the hotspot, it's not with this plan. You have to change your plan. $30 per line per month is for 4 lines with auto pay plus taxes and fees. So to get that $30 a month plan, like I said, you do need 4 lines. It has to be on auto pay, and you will get charged taxes and fees. Up to $240 Verizon e-gift card per line when you activate your own 4G LTE or 5G phone on the Welcome Unlimited plan, up to $960 for a family of 4. That's actually a really good deal, guys. You get a $240 Verizon email or electronic gift card, should I say, per line when you activate your own 4G device, which is really nice, actually. Pretty cool. It says so here's a take with 9 to 5's take on Welcome Unlimited differences. So it says it's great to see Verizon offering an even more affordable entry-level plan that includes 5G coverage. Welcome Unlimited starts at $30 per line with auto pay, and 4 lines is $5 below the 5G start unlimited plan that goes for $35 a month. So we'll have to actually check it. It's a $5 difference per month. So if we get more stuff with the start unlimited, why not pay an extra $5? You know, that's kind of dumb. $5 difference is not that much. It says the two main differences between Welcome Unlimited and 5G Start are that you don't get the 5 gigs hotspot, and there is a potential to see your speeds throttle in busy areas with a $30 welcome unlimited. Ooh, big thing. So for $5 extra, I would use it. I would get it just for an extra 5 gigs of hotspot because, like I said, the welcome unlimited does not offer this. You also get potential better speeds in more busy areas with the Start Unlimited. Says more difference is that with the welcome unlimited plan, all of your lines are on that plan. Ooh. In contrast with the Verizon's 5G Start, 5G Do More, and 5G Play More, and 5G Get More, you can mix and match. So basically, if you want to do all 4 lines, they have to be on this plan. So basically, if little Jimmy is the 4th line and he wants hotspot, tough luck. You're gonna have to basically switch it. He won't be able to get it. You know. And like 5G Start, you don't get access to Verizon's 5 GB ultra wide band, the fastest flavor of 5G with welcome unlimited. So, so let's go ahead and check it out. So welcome unlimited should just take us here. So here it is, guys. For 4 lines. Remember, this is for 4 lines, and then we'll look at just doing 1 line. So for 4 lines, the 5G Start Connect on the go, it says $35 a month plus taxes and fees. Of course, you're not gonna, it's not T-Mobile, man. It's not included. Wow, $45 a month plan without paper-free billing and auto pay. So it's $10 discount that you get with auto pay and paperless billing. So for 4 lines, it's $35 a month. You get unlimited 5G nationwide, 5 gigabytes of premium mobile hotspot data, then unlimited lower speed data. I mean, once you hit that 5 gigs of hotspot, guys, it's basically unusable. I'll tell you that much. Perks to try on us: try Disney Plus, Apple Arcade, or Google Play Pass and Apple Music for 6 months. Now from here, guys, for $10 more, like I said, we'll get to the cheap one, but I just want to show you what Verizon offers. Do More is $45 a month with auto pay and paperless billing. Of course, this is per line for 4 lines. Remember, unlimited 5G Ultra, 50 gigs of premium network access, then unlimited data. This right here alone, for an extra $10, I would pay just for that premium data. 25 gigs of premium mobile hotspot, home internet savings. You get 50% off Verizon home internet where available. So it's not, remember, it's not available everywhere. And then perks, you get 50% off a watch, tablet, hotspot, or home plan. 1 travel pass day per month, and Verizon Cloud 600 gigabytes. And then of course you can try the same stuff here. Now, this is usually what I don't get. Play More is the same price, but you get unlimited 5G Ultra. Now you'll see the differences here. 50 gigs of premium network data, so in times of congestion, your speeds will not slow down. You have 50 gigs of that, which is plenty. 25 gigs of hotspot. Same thing with this. Same thing with this, but the perks is what changes. So with this one, you can do the Hulu. I personally would do this. You get Hulu, Disney Plus, ESPN. That's almost a $20 value, $18.98 a month. Arcade or Google Play Pass. And then, of course, you can try Apple Music for 6 months on us. Like I said, me personally, I would do this perk just because you can save almost $20 a month there. This one, those with connected devices, you can save up to almost $36. Close to 40. So, but me personally, I would do this more, that's the main differences. Now, Get More, our best plan ever, is $55 a month per line for 4 lines. Remember, 65 without auto pay. Unlimited 5G Ultra. So all of these are Ultra, limited 5G Ultra if it's available in your area. 5G Start is the only one that does not offer it. This is now unlimited premium network access, guys. So says get unlimited high-speed data that isn't slowed based on how much data you use. You'll also get high definition 720 PHD video streaming. Wow. Versus all these other ones are still 720. So that is pretty good. 50 gigs of hotspot. Ooh, that's really good, guys. Look at that. Like I said, unlimited premium network access. That's definitely worth it. And then home internet savings. And then look at these perks, guys. You get basically all these two. You combine them, boom, you get that. So that's definitely worth the savings. Like I said, Verizon is really expensive, but you get a lot of perks. And then, of course, the one we're talking about is the Welcome Unlimited. save money without sacrificing quality. It's $30 a month with auto pay and paperless billing for 4 lines. And the only thing you do is get unlimited talk, text, and data, but times of congestion, speeds may slow down or vary. Now let's go just for 1 line. It's $65 a month. And remember, this is with auto pay still and paperless billing. Versus these other ones, for just 1 line, it's $90 a month. Good Lord, 80, 80, and 70. But overall, I think this is good. Me personally, I would pay the extra $5 a month to get the starter so we can get the hotspot. But then from there, you know, you can spend an extra $10 apart from there. So $15 more to get at least 50 gigs of premium network. Me personally, being, you know, a YouTuber and having a full-time job and this and that, I would do one of these. If I really needed, if I was really heavy user, I would go with this one, which is the get more. But personally, I would do the $80 a month for 1 line, or of course, having a family, $45 a month. So pretty cool. Please comment, rate, subscribe, guys. Lots of information your way. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and is this some plan that you will like? So not too bad. Welcome Unlimited. Pretty cool, like I said. For 4 lines, $30 a month, not bad at all. Check it out. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Lots of offers in the description below. Thank you.